So, as I was saying, we're at work.
Here's something like.
There is a. Where's he at? There's a
Can we just open that?
bird at
Where the alarm go off?
playland. He's just, flying around. Now he's chilling. What's up, little bird? I don't know what the fuck kind of bird is it?
Go get me a small fry. Why? Because we're trying to fucking catch it.
All right, but I'm pretty sure you scared all the birds around here. Try to get close to him. What's up, little bird? So anyway, yep, we got a bird in the playland at McDonald's.
There you go.
And let me get a fry. Give me the fry. Oh my God, it's crunchy.
I don't think you want it.
Birdie, got you a fry, buddy. Go get a bun, dude. Birds like bread.
Yeah. Not him. Those types of birds. They eat seeds and stuff.
We don't have any.
Bird.
Hey, that's perfect. Go get a quarter bun. We got sesame seeds on them.
Come for a fucking pile of sesame seeds. Make sunflower seeds and stuff like that.
Who has some? Nobody here eats sunflower seeds.
They're just not here. He's like, fuck you, yeah.
Well, I gotta take an order, so I gotta go.